In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to create dotted text effect in Photoshop. So let's begin. If you are very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. So let's see how to create dotted text in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to come to the layer section right here. You have to click on this plus sign right here. This allows you to create a new layer. Okay, click on that. Then having made a new layer, next thing you need to do is to simply go to your type tool right here. So what you need to do here is to simply click and hold down, then choose horizontal type tool. Next thing you can do is to simply come to the property right here from the top. Then you can change your font type. So I'm going to change the font to Lato. Then from the Lato family right here, I will switch to Lato Bold. So you can use any type of the font, but I'm using Lato as an example in this tutorial. Next thing you can do is to come to the color right here. So I'm going to change from white color to something like black. Then I'll click on OK. Next thing I'm going to do now is to make a type. So I'll click on my Photoshop workspace. I will type dotted. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to increase this font size. For me to do that, I will press Ctrl A to highlight everything. Then I come to the top right here. I will increase by this slider right here to increase my font size. So I'm going to leave it about 80% PT. Then once you are satisfied, click on the move tool right here. Next thing I'm going to do here is to center this text. Okay, for me to do that, I have to come to the top right here. I'll make sure I click on select. Then I will choose all. Then I'll come here and make sure I select to alignment, horizontal center, then align vertical center. So once you properly align the text, next thing I'm going to do is to go back to select. Then I'll choose the select this time around. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is to go to the text layer right here. I will click on the text layer, then I will make sure I look for convert to shape. Then having converted to shape, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I go to my shape tools right here. I will click and hold down. Then I'll make sure I choose my shape. Then I will come to the top right here. Then I'll make sure no fill. Okay, now we have to come to the stroke right here. From here we can choose the color we want our dotted to be. So I'm going to leave it in black. Then I'll come to the dotted format stroke options right here. I'll make sure I choose this type option. So this dotted option, then I'll come to the stroke width. Then I'll make sure I increase the width so the dotted can appear in the text. Okay, so once you're satisfied with the dotted effect, then click on your move tool. Then you're going to have it this way. It's as simple, easy, and perfect. So this is how to create dotted text effect in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.